watch this secret recipe today. Alright, so first of all, what I want to say, I have some homemade ice cream. I'm going to put some homemade ice cream inside of the blender. Alright, this is Chef Ricardo homemade ice cream. That's the one which I make. Vanilla ice cream, and also I have rum and raisin ice cream which I make also. Alright, that is beautiful. So we're gonna put roughly about 3 nice good tablespoons of ice cream inside of the blender. Alright, that's it so far. That is lovely. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some granola inside of it. Granola also inside of it. Alright, I love it. This one is amazing. I'm gonna put roughly about a tablespoon of the granola inside of it. Just a tablespoon for, put another tablespoon for protein. Alright, it's just like build up your immune system. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of the granola inside of it, just like that. Alright, that is lovely. Then I have half fingers of ripe banana, and I'm gonna put that straight inside of it like this. That is lovely. Yeah, I know the ice cream is a little bit sweet, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop roughly about a half tablespoon of organic honey inside of it. Alright, then use sweet condensed milk for option. Then we're gonna use some almond milk inside of it to free up the blender. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, now we're gonna put this to the blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright. That is lovely. Right, now let's see the way all this look. That is beautiful and nice. Alright, so pour that straight inside of it like this, and you want to drink this straight away. That is lovely. That is fantastic and amazing. Thank you so much guys for watching the show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. Alright, ice cream with ripe banana, and also we have some beautiful almond milk in it with honey. Stay tuned in. See you next time in the kitchen with some more recipes and more ideas. Alright, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And that is from Chef Ricardo this morning. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye. Alright guys, beautiful and lovely and also delicious recipe. Bye bye.